The autumn effect is a classic. It was first introduced in Lumion 6, and since then, it has helped architects around the world tone their images for seasonal adjustments with only a handful of clicks. Check out at the link below the winners of our most recent competition, The Essence of Autumn, and see what our amazing Lumion community created. In Lumion 12, the autumn effect received a functional revamp that allows you to switch between different autumn palettes and customize the feeling you want to convey. From a pale green to a ruby red, this is where you define your starting point. The effect can be applied to a single layer, say trees, or all layers inside your project. There are 3 color presets to choose from: green, ochre, and red. The sliders below allow for adjusting the colorization and keyframing in case you plan to record a time-lapse video. That'd be cool. For a boost in realism, we recommend pairing the autumn colors with the precipitation effect for this amazing result. I love it. Now that you have the season dialed in, I think you're ready to make images that pop with realism. Follow me to this tutorial on making realistic materials that breathe life into your designs. But before you go, can you hit that like button? I'll see you in there.